Assalamu alaikum family, we're back with another day of Ramadan. Praise be to Allah that I am here to see it and you are as well. Today has not been at all, eventful. I did so much yesterday that I kind of overworked myself and burnt myself out. So I really wasn't feeling that well, but I do have to edit, I think it's yesterday's or even the day before yesterday's, and put it out because I didn't put out day 2's video yet, and it was supposed to go up a little bit ago, but I wasn't feeling well, so that was not accomplished. But I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna do the work and put the effort in and be consistent with my content and do the things that I need to do and the things that I want to do to grow my platform and get you guys to see all these things that are going on, and also to know that I live a very real life. I live a very real life, and I'm learning how to listen to my body and do the things that I need to do for myself. And I want you all to do the same. Don't think that you have to do everything up under the sun because that's what society says means that you're productive. When you're productive, it's getting the things that you need to get done when they need to be done so that they can be achieved and you can be proud of the person that you're aspiring to be. Not because it says that you're supposed to get up in the morning and do an hour exercise and meditate for 30 minutes and go for a 3-mile run and swim 5. No, if being productive to you is sitting down and reading a book, if it's just sitting down and meditating for a little bit, the things that make you happy, figure those things out. Today, the things that made me happy was resting because my body felt like crap and I needed to listen, because if I continue to move and do all the things while I'm not feeling well, then that's when I start to get sick. And I'm not looking forward to getting sick. I'm not trying to get sick. I've been sick, I believe, 2 times this year already, and it is only March. So yeah, we're not doing that again. So right now I am trying to charge my computer at least just a little bit. It's at 29%. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants that. 29%, really? 29%. 29%. Nobody wants that, okay? To be in the middle of working on something, and then your computer just crashes because it doesn't have enough battery. So I want to work here in my craft space only because I've yet to do it. Oh, but the charger reaches. So we're here. I'm here for it. So I'm going to try to get that done, get some work done, and hopefully just like, I don't know, we'll see. But I have thought about a couple of designs that I want to use. Excuse me. I think I'm gonna move out here because I feel like that's a little more. Hi girl, how you doing? You know, just you talking with my friend. So I've worked on purchasing a couple of designs, and also thinking about some designs that I myself want to make to bring to my business, because I do want my brand to be unique. I don't want it to be, oh, I came to her store, but I can get this same sweater from her and I can get it from this girl over here or that guy over there. I want my store to be, when you come in, you may be able to find some things like that, but also you're gonna find things that only I offer, only designs that I offer. Nobody else has the same design. Maybe it may be something similar, because nothing on this bright green earth is new. There's nothing new under the sun. Somebody else has already thought about it. Somebody else has already made it. Somebody else has already, I don't know. It's already been done, is what I'm saying. It's already been done, and there's nothing new. It's whether or not the style is going to be a little bit different. I want it to fit more of my aesthetic, and I'm learning how to not just see things and be like, oh, I love that. I love that. I think, I love that. I think people will love this too. And then now I'm using it as a product, but I'm learning how to see what fits the audience that I'm trying to talk to. But I'm also trying not to scare people away, if that makes any sense. People learn certain things about people and then they just be like, oh no, I don't want to deal with her, or no, I don't want to deal with that. but then that's also a thing of being authentic. I'm trying to show you guys my authentic self and not really care about what people think, because the people who gravitate towards me being my authentic self will stay here, and I don't have to put on a front or pretend to be anything that I'm not, because I can only be who I am, and you see who I am. People always tell me, oh, you seem so young and this aura, and then when they find out how old I am, they're like, that's how old you are? And I'm like, yes, I am. I just seem to have a very chill, laid back, fun type of personality, and people can never really tell how old I am. And you know, black don't crack, so of course, yeah, most likely, you know, anyway, yeah. That just kind of like, oh my gosh. But yesterday, me and the girls went to go play with their friend, and they had such a good time, and it was so refreshing to have them be able to just chill and me have a sit down conversation with another grown-up and just not feel like I was being judged. And we just had a really good time, and I really enjoyed spending time with the young man and his mom. We had such a good time, and she and I are close in age. I'm older than her by a couple of years, but still, we're close in age. And the children they were actually born the same year in 2017. I love it here. It's crazy because I've prayed on it, having friends and a community and having a tribe, and I finally feel like I had that, where my children can go outside and I don't have to be like I don't have to be like, where y'all going? Standing over them constantly. I know if they're going to Khalil's house, they're going to Khalil's house. If they're not going all the way back to Elijah's house by themselves, but if they're going over there, yeah, I have to go with them. But I know if she is outside with them, I don't have to be like, what are my children doing? What are we doing? Because she is like how I am. We watch people and we watch how they interact with our children, and then from there we see how we feel about you with our children, and then we allow our children to be around you. Not just, oh yeah, go ahead, go be over there with them. No, we see how people interact with our babies, how they interact with us, how they interact with their own children, how they interact with other people's children. And then it's like, oh, okay, you can go. Oh, you can go. I don't have to constantly hover, and that's refreshing. And I also have another friend, and she is amazing. I know with her, like, Allah, thank you so much for the people you have placed, the strong women that you have placed in my life, because I know with her, if I send my babies over there, they will play, they will make snacks, they will do all types of stuff over there. I appreciate you, Danielle. Yes, I do. So it's just one of those things of knowing who you can leave your children with. I'm going to edit this video and put together my craft room, because I kind of like ripped it apart trying to organize it, and I'm gonna do that inshallah before dinner gets here, because I'm still drained, but there's things I need to do. And the girls said that they wanted pizza, and I had a salad on the menu, but I'm a little nervous to cut my lettuce. It's growing so pretty. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. I don't want to kill it. I'm scared I'm going to kill it. And then also, like, I'm nervous as to, am I even supposed to be harvesting it right now? Because it don't tell you whether or not you're supposed to harvest it. It's so pretty. I have a camera on it. It's not necessarily live now, but it takes pictures of it and it shows you. I'm gonna get into editing this video so that I can hurry up and get it up there, so that at least be up there by maybe like 7 o'clock, and then edit day 3 and we'll go from there. Hey family, this is editing Danielle. Yeah, I'm using my watch. This is a whole new thing. I didn't even know I could do this. I just came on to close the vlog because I was editing it and I realized I didn't have a closing to the vlog. Today has been a day. That day was a day, but we're here. We made it another day and I thank God that we can say that. Right now, I'm just gonna say I love you all. Continue to have great days. Continue to take care of yourself. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Laters.